Planning a move from Arlington to Danville, Virginia? It may stay within the same state, but at roughly 200 miles, it still requires the planning of a long-distance relocation. For many one- or two-bedroom moves, prices may range from around $700 to $1,800. Larger homes, extra services, and difficult access can push the total higher. Your final moving cost depends on how much you're taking, the number of movers needed, packing materials, stairs, elevators, parking distance, and any heavy or fragile items. Arlington can add a few logistical challenges. Confirm parking rules, reserve your elevator when necessary, and check your building's approved moving hours before the crew arrives. Use sturdy boxes and secure fragile belongings for several hours on the road. Label each box clearly and keep medications, documents, chargers, and your first night essentials with you. The drive usually takes about 5 to 8 hours, depending on traffic and the route. Loading and unloading can make this a full-day move, so an early start is usually helpful. Ask for written estimates that explain labor, transportation, packing, and additional fees. Comparing the full service details is more useful than choosing based on the lowest number alone. Ready to plan your Arlington to Danville move? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options and start your free moving estimate today.